and welcome to Boar Academy. We are discussing index numbers, and in the last lecture we discussed about last pairs index number, primary things about, or say a simplification of what exactly is last pairs index number and why should we use quantity while calculating the price index numbers. Now let us take an example to understand last pairs index number in better way. In this example, the group is made up of 6 food items. So this is a case of food group, and I prefer not to write the real names of the articles. That's why I use always alphabets. And we have 2 years, 2018 and 2019. And obviously 2018 is the earlier year and 19 is later year. So 2018 becomes base year for us and 2019 for current year. That means we are going to calculate last pairs index number for the year 2019. But as we know that we need to consider the quantity consumed, and particularly in case of last pairs index number, we need to consider the quantity of base year only. But as usual, we have been given all the information about quantity as well as price for base year as well as current year. Now we know the formula of last pairs index number as we discussed in the last lecture. So we need to prepare 2 more columns to get the required information, and they are P1 into QO, PO into QO. P1 stands for price for the current year and QO stands for quantity of the base year. Current cost of base quantity is divided by the base cost of base quantity. That was the simplification of last pairs index number we discussed in the last lecture. So to get the current cost of base quantity, we need to multiply the base quantity by current year's prices. This is logically, this is something like that. If we purchase the same quantity which we consumed in the base year at current year's prices, then what should be the total amount of expenditure? That will be the summation of this column. This is one kind of notional cost because we have already consumed the quantity in base year at base year prices. But now we assume that what if we consume the same quantity in current year at current year's prices? What could be our total cost? Yes? Okay. So P1 into QO, first and last columns. Yes. 20 into 18, 360. Yes. 10 into 31.25, that will be 312.50. 10 into 29.5, that will be 295. Yes, 6 into 30, 180. 15 into 25, that will be 375. And 18 into 28.80 will be 518.40. So if we consume 20 units in 2019 at the rate of rupees 18, our cost can be 360. But we know that we had consumed 20 units in base year at rupees 15. But according to the logic suggested by last pair, we need to believe that we consume this same quantity in current year at current year's price. That's why we have to calculate all these things. And this summation, rather summation of this column will be the notional cost of base year quantity at current year prices. And that is 2040.90. This is sigma or summation of P1 QO. QO or Q0, whatever the term you prefer. Now we need to divide this by the summation of the column POQO. That means base cost of base quantity. That means the real cost which we actually paid during the base year is to be considered. Yes, we consumed 20 units of A at rupees 15 in the base year. So at that time we actually paid rupees 300 to consume A, or rather to consume 20 units of A. This is the interpretation of this 300. Similarly, in case of P, it is 200. In case of C, it comes to rupees 265. In case of D, it comes to rupees 148.80. In case of E, it comes to rupees 318.75. And in case of F, it comes to rupees 378, 18 into 21. So this is the column of cost of A, B, C, D, E, F. We actually paid during the base year. Yes, it was 1610.55. This is known as sigma POQO. This is real cost. We had actually paid during the base year 2018 to consume this much units of all these 6 items. This is notional cost. If we consume the same number of units in the current year 2019 at current year prices. Okay, now last pairs index number equals to sigma P1QO divided by sigma POQO into 100 will give us the percentage. It is 2040.90 divided by 1610.55 whole into 100. So last pairs index number comes to, let me take the ratio first, because one term used for index number is ratio also. 1.2672 into 100. Yes, 126.72 is the final answer. That means as compared to 2018, in 2019, the total cost for consuming the 6 items increased by 26.72% if we consume the same quantity as we had consumed in the base year. This is the interpretation. So many things I am speaking are not written in any reference book or are not told by most of the teachers teaching all these things. So please be careful while studying through my lectures. Listen to the things I speak carefully, because I am not habituated to take my lectures with preparation of any script. All the explanations are spontaneous, and I am very much clear that I am speaking so many things which most of the teachers don't speak while teaching all the same topics. That's why I want you to suggest my channel to all others. Yes? Okay. So this is last pairs index number. The ratio of notional cost, or rather notional current year cost of base year quantity to the real base year cost of the base year quantity. Yes. This is quite different from the weighted index numbers we already discussed in our previous 3 lectures. But in real life, this is very useful method. In case of say consumer price index, this method is widely used. Okay, now we stop discussing last pairs index number. We have already discussed this thing since last our 2 lectures, previous and this one. In next lectures we are going to discuss passage index number. But before leaving this lecture, let me again remind you that don't forget to like my lectures, don't forget to visit and subscribe my channel, and equally importantly, don't forget to recommend my channel and my lectures to others. I am sure these are very useful to the student fraternity in the whole world, whole globe. Yes, I have faith in my ability, that's why I am telling this. So please subscribe and make all these things more and more popular, so that more and more students can get benefit of learning these things in a very simple way. That's it. Thank you very much and take care of yourself.